Okay, now in this video, we're going to take a look at the sales page creation tool that we are going to be using. And we're going to be using the creation tool inside of your JVZoo account. It's one of the reasons why we're choosing JVZoo. And I mainly want to just show you how easy it's going to be. One of the things that really intimidates new marketers is putting together a sales page. And you can either use this JV tool to import a sales page that you have created, or if you are limited in terms of the funds you have and you need to create the sales page yourself, you're going to find this sales page creation tool fairly easy and fairly intuitive for you to be able to use. Now, there are obviously lots of tools available to create a sales page. And as I said, we're going to be using this simple and what I believe to be a valuable tool inside of JVZoo. What you're going to do is create a product inside of JVZoo. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then once we do that, we're going to be given access to the sales page creation tool. And we will use that sales page creation tool once we have our copy written out. Now, we can write out our sales copy pretty much using Microsoft Word or any word processing software, and then we're going to actually import that copy into the JVZoo page. So let's take a look at the JVZoo page. Now, this is the JVZoo setup page. We are going to be setting up the product a little later on in the course. I just wanted to show you the inside. You will not necessarily be able to see that page until you actually fill this information in your product out. Now, JVZoo has lots of tutorials on how to set up your product on JVZoo. We're going to give you a basic setup here because we want to show you how you're going to set it up with the membership. And what you're going to do is once you finish the entering in these details, as I said, we're going to be doing this later in the course, then I'm going to bring you to the page where you're going to have your sales page editor. Okay, now JVZoo actually gives you a page that is editable, and what you're going to do is you're going to be able to click the edit button, and you're going to be able to work with this template just as if it is pretty much a drag and drop. I mean, you'll be able to change the headline, you'll be able to change the subheadline, you'll be able to add things, you'll be able to add your graphics. If you don't like that graphic, it's pretty much just a simple, very simple interface in order to change. And that's one of the reasons why we like using this platform. And it really is going to be pretty simple. When you set up your product in JVZoo, they're going to put the pay buttons in there. You can just kind of copy these pay buttons, right? Let's see, you can't do that. Let's see, we can just copy it. And we can put that that pay button any place, right? Just like that. So this is a very flexible website builder, and we are going to keep our offer simple. We're going to keep our sales copy simple, and we're going to be able to work with this document. And pretty much this is what you want to work with. Now, of course, you can have something created, and one of the things that you can do is you can take all of this out, and you can cut and paste in here a document that you have created from a designer, right? That's perfectly fine and perfectly acceptable. Nothing wrong with that, and it's just another way for you to do it. Once again, if you are limited in what you can spend, this is going to be a great way for you to create a sales page that people are going to be able to go to. You're going to take the domain name, you're going to mask it. I'm just going to click save here. And you're going to mask this domain name. I'll show you what that means when we talk about masking the domain, but that's pretty much what you're going to do. You're going to take that domain, you're going to mask it, and you're going to have yourself a sales page. And again, it's really as simple as being able to edit it just like you edit any other document. And that's about it for now. Thanks, and and I will see you in the next video.